To enhance your Rocket League installation loop in 2025, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth and efficient setup process. This guide will help you optimize your installation experience. Step 1. Prepare your system. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Rocket League. Check your hardware specifications and update your operating system to the latest version for optimal performance. Step 2. Free up disk space. Before installation, check your available disk space. Remove unnecessary files or applications to create enough space for the game. Aim for at least 20 GB of free space to accommodate the installation and future updates. Step 3. Download the installer. Visit the official Rocket League website or your preferred gaming platform to download the latest installer. Make sure to download from a trusted source to avoid any issues with corrupted files. Step 4. Disable background applications. Before starting the installation, close any unnecessary background applications. This will free up system resources and help the installation process run more smoothly without interruptions. Step 5. Follow installation prompts. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Choose your preferred installation location and settings. Once the installation is complete, launch the game to ensure everything is functioning correctly. By following these steps, you can enhance your Rocket League installation experience and enjoy the game without any hitches. Happy gaming!